I'm so excited to introduce my new limited edition Tropic Eyeshadow Palette. I have created this palette with a user-friendly system. The layout is built like this, that every vertical row creates a beautiful, wearable, colorful look. First, I'm digging into Nudist and I'm going to place it into the crease. Next, I'm taking Sangria deeper into the crease. Then with Peach Puff, I'm going to blend Sangria, the deeper shade, and going to use it as a transition. The last shade I'm going to use is the Gusti. It's a sparkling duochrome, and I'm going to apply it with my fingers onto the lid. And with Sangria, I'm going to blend the lash line.